Yes, and next is oxytocin, which is really required for our love and bonding, and especially with our children or even with people around us, right? Just hugging, cuddling, just handshaking. So this is a physical touch, releases this oxytocin. And also, it's not just with the people, even with the pets, right? Especially the dogs and cats and all the pets that what we have. And so it also increases, so now I think all of us are kind of getting old. It is very important to get back to our friend circle. So I always recommend, please go back to your childhood friends, connect with them, meet them once in a while. So because this is a hormone that really gets released, okay? So and you don't need to pay anything for these hormones, which are really inside us, right? And the last is endorphins, which is a pain reliever, right? And I think exercise is the mother of all issues in the world. If you are able to exercise every day 15 minutes to 30 minutes, not for anybody's sake, just for our sake. Okay, so this automatically gets released. And also, I think laughing is one thing that releases this, endorphins. And there are only very few things that what we have to take care. Not really rocket science. If you are able to eat healthy food, nutrient food at all ages, right? Eat healthily and sleep properly. Okay, don't cut short. And exercise 15 minutes to 30 minutes every single day. And have some mindfulness practice. You can also do mindful activities like art and be with the nature. Go talk to the plants. Okay, you can always adopt the plants and trees. Okay, so develop that bond towards them. And so the last one is take calculated risk. Stress. Sorry. Yeah, of course, risk and stress, both of them. So if you're able to take care of these, I think we should be good enough to live a happy, meaningful, life, I guess.